Nazir Haizal bin Fazli.
I'm Sarah Izzati. I'm Sanani.
Today we're going to show you why we choose Teluk Cempedak as our assignment project.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm with Mr. Hafiz and I'm going to interview him a few questions. Okay, first, Mr. Why do you choose to come here?
Actually, my friends recommend me to come here, so I just come here from Kelantan, and he said that this place was interesting, and so here I am here. So it looks really nice, and the place was beautiful, and I think not so crowded.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next. You said just now that you are from Kelantan, so this is actually your first time come here?
Actually, this is my first time to come here. Actually, I study here at Kuantan, so my friends and I just want to come here because just want to relax and release tension.
Okay. For my last question, did you come here? Did it worth it to come here, Mr. Hafiz?
For me, I think it is really worth it because you can enjoy the view, and you also can enjoy with your friends swimming, and it's like over there we got a really nice monkey. So I think it's really worth it.
Okay, thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Hafiz.
How many of them you come here? Dalam 2-3 kali juga. How much do you rate this place? How much do you rate this place? Percent berapa bintang? 3/5. 3/5. What's your review about this place? Firstly, tempat ni cantik, tapi bila tengok pada keadaan suasana pantai macam agak dalam lah. Jadi untuk aktiviti bersama keluarga dan anak-anak tu kena boleh jaga sikit. Yang lain tu, yang kedua, best je sebabnya tempat yang dikunjungi oleh orang ramai, jadi kita boleh berkumpul. Does the facilities here is good, like the food stall or the toilet? There's food, there's tinggal, makanan tu okay. Teluk pun okey lah. Tak ada negatif kita kata bagus tapi boleh dapat.
Thank you.
Sorry lah Kak Ban.
So, in our opinion, it is worth to come here with your friend or family.
It's also such a beautiful place for tourists to come and take a picture for their ingat-ingatan apa?
For the memories together.
Together with their friends or family. And there are also so many activities you can do here. For example, swimming. And they got some.
Yeah, we got some beautiful cafe like
apa?
Starbucks, Thai
yes,
McD, 7E.
Ui, ni kau sebut semua. Apa ni?
Yeah. Yeah, we got hotel too. So if you want to stay here, it's very close to the beach.
Is it such a good place for you to come here?
With your family and
With your family and
friends.
friends. Thank you.
That's all. Thank you
Bye.
guys. Bye. Wakanda forever.
Okay guys, if you come here, don't worry about the food because there are a lot of store here such as Subway, KFC, McD and others.
Yes. And then after you bought the food, you have to be careful. Yeah, like you must keep your food or anything that you bought, keep it properly inside bag, or because there are a lot of monkeys here, and you have to be careful so that you will not be chased by the monkey. So have a good day.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fazli Aizat bin Fazli. Today I would like to talk about the background of Sungai Pandan Waterfall. It is located in Sungai Pandan Forest Reserve, Pahang. Sungai Pandan Waterfall or Pancing Waterfall is a mighty sight to behold. The beautiful sight of nature decorating the lush green forest makes Sungai Pandan Waterfall a notable destination for families and friends, especially during Malaysia's designated public holidays and weekends. The waterfall provides ample facilities for you to have a little picnic by the river or barbecue feast at the gazebos.
Okay. May I know how often you come here within a week?
A week. So how often I come a week? 1 week only one time because this is the first time for this year I come here.
This is
This is the time.
what is your first impression about this place?
First impression for this year or before this?
First impression before this.
Before this Sungai Pandan before Cempedak is very beautiful. But now we see many rubbish and then there are so many what we call rubbish. Memang rubbish lah.
Oh, it's not clean like before.
Not clean before.
Okay. What is your review about this place? Like you want to recommend to other people? Or
For me, it's just nice, beautiful, but many people do not have any positive attitude, so this place become very dirty.
if how much will Miss rate the Sungai Pandan Waterfall?
How many star that you give?
5?
5. So for 5, I only give 2.
Give 2 over 5. Okay, thank you, Miss.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Can I hear you?
My name is Nabil.
Yes. Where are you from?
I live in Kampung Padang.
Oh, Kampung Padang.
Yes. I'm working here currently.
Can we ask some question about our village assignment?
Okay.
The first question is, what is the main attraction here?
I think it's a nice place for have a rest with the family, especially over the weekend. And it's a nearby to my house in Kampung Padang. So besides went to Pantai. So for this week I choose to come here with my family.
What is the specialty in this place? Instead of we know we got Sungai Pelangi and Pantai Teluk Cempedak. What is the specialty here?
Okay, the main is the waterfall, of course. And then here a lot of place to have a seat with the family members. And then the river is not so that So
Safe for.
safe for my family. I have 3 kids.
Did you open to come here? In weekdays or holidays?
This is my 3rd time. For the past 6 years. So not often came here with my family. But for sure, for those outside this content, I really guaranteed that this is the nice place to come.
Is it worth to come here instead of other places?
Yes, we have a lot of places here, but for sure, I think this is the best place to come with your family member.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
First time coming here, I feel really impressive. The waterfall is awesome and I really enjoy it. The facilities provided are well and clean. There are some area we can cook, barbecue and have some group gathering. The waterfall looked great and safe to swim. The river area was separate from adult and kids.
My name is Nur Alisanani binti Muhammad Luqman. In my opinion, Sungai Pandan Waterfall is very nice place and suitable for our holiday destination. The price also cheap and affordable for you to go with your family or friends. The facilities provided is also very satisfying, so you can enjoy the holiday without worrying the other things.